Ever Fables. Story, Never Give Up, a student's journey to achieving dreams. In a small town in the USA, there lived a high school student named Jake. He was smart, hardworking, and full of dreams. His biggest goal? To get into his dream university and make his family proud. But there was one big challenge. Jake struggled with math. No matter how hard he tried, the numbers just didn't seem to work in his favor. One day, his teacher, Mr. Thompson, gave the class a tough math test. Jake studied all night but still failed. He felt defeated. Maybe I'm just not smart enough, he thought. That evening, he went for a walk and found himself standing in front of a large mountain near his town. He noticed a rock climber slowly making his way up. The climber would slip, struggle, and even rest. But he never gave up. Step by step, he climbed higher. Inspired, Jake realized something important. Success isn't about never failing. It's about never giving up. From that day on, he changed his mindset. Instead of fearing math, he faced it with determination. He practiced every day, asked for help, and never let failure stop him. Months later, Jake took his final math exam. When he got his results, he couldn't believe it. He had passed with flying colors. His hard work had paid off. When he finally received his acceptance letter to his dream university, he knew one thing for sure. Just like climbing a mountain, success takes time, effort, and resilience. Moral of the story: every challenge is like a mountain. You might slip, struggle, or feel tired, but as long as you keep going, you'll reach the top. Never give up on your dreams. Story finished. Ever Fables.